Looking for a dependable power cable that fits your Garmin GPSMAP device without hassle? This 2-pin power cable, model number 01010922200, is designed specifically for GPSMAP models 4008, 4212, 5008, 5208, 5012, 5212, 5015, and 5215. It's the exact replacement you need to keep your navigation running smoothly. What makes this cable stand out is its precise compatibility. Users have confirmed it fits perfectly with models like the GPSMAP 4208 and 8212, powering up their devices without any interruptions. One customer shared how their old cable kept cutting out, but this replacement worked flawlessly from the moment it arrived. The cable's compact packaging measures just over 18 centimeters in length, with a slim profile that's easy to store or carry. Originating from Taiwan, province of China, it meets quality standards that ensure durability and consistent performance in various conditions. A standout benefit is the fast shipping many customers have experienced. One user was surprised by next-day delivery, making it a convenient option when you need a quick fix. Plus, its versatile design allows for easy connection to external power sources, like deep cycle batteries, with simple additions like alligator clips. If you rely on your Garmin GPSMAP for navigation, this power cable is worth a look. It eliminates the frustration of unreliable power connections and keeps your device ready for every trip. The peace of mind that comes with a perfect fit and dependable power can't be overstated. Ready to upgrade your GPSMAP's power setup? This 2-pin power cable offers a straightforward, reliable solution that fits your device like a glove. Whether you're replacing a worn-out cable or need a backup, it's designed to deliver consistent power without fail. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free navigation again. With positive feedback on fit and function, plus speedy delivery, it's a practical choice that keeps your Garmin GPSMAP devices powered and ready for action.